If your TV suddenly has a single horizontal line across the screen, a few quick checks are worth trying first, even though they only fix a small percentage of cases. They're free and fast, so let's rule them out. First, start by unplugging the TV from the wall. While it's unplugged, hold the power button on the TV itself, not the remote, for 30 to 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and power on. Next, try a different HDMI cable, switch ports, or open a built-in app. If the line only shows up with one device, the TV is fine. The problem is that device or cable. Now, if the line is thin, perfectly straight, and stays in the exact same spot no matter what's playing, that's usually a panel failure, typically a failed internal driver connection built into the screen itself. Circuit board swaps won't fix this. If your TV is still under warranty, contact the manufacturer, since panel replacement is often covered. If instead, you're seeing a thicker line, or multiple lines that flicker or showed up after the TV was moved, the cause is more likely fixable. A loose ribbon cable or a faulty T-con board, which controls how the image reaches the display, is the usual suspect. If you're comfortable opening the TV, unplug it, remove the back cover, and find the ribbon cables running to the T-con board. Disconnect each one, clean the gold contacts with high-purity isopropyl alcohol, let them dry, then reconnect firmly. This won't fix every unit, but it's worth trying before buying parts. If that doesn't help, and you're still seeing thick or multiple lines, replacing the T-con board may be the next step. Just match the exact board number for your model. But if you only have one thin line, skip the T-con board. That's a panel problem, and no board swap will fix it. Now you know what to do next if that single line is still there. See you soon.